Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very well. Greetings to you.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much, sir. By the way, my name is Peter from MetaPro team.
Hi YouTube, what's going on? So recently my Facebook account ran into issues and you will not believe the Facebook support called me locally. Okay, now in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Facebook support call you locally and address whatever issue you have with your Facebook account. Okay, now I need to know that this video is not about looking at issues we have with your Facebook account, but I'm going to show you how you can make the support call you locally and address whatever issue you have with your account instantly. Okay, now for those of you that have been following me for quite a while, you should have noticed that I'm making most of these videos from Africa. Okay, therefore receiving a call locally from a platform like Facebook is one of the most surprising things that I've ever seen in my cell phone. Okay, and I need to know that the calls I received came from a UK phone number, that is a United Kingdom phone number. Okay, it's unclear how it is, but I received the call. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make Facebook call you. Okay, all right, so welcome back. Now for those of you that have been using Facebook for quite a while now, you should have noticed that Facebook is one of the most difficult platforms to address any issue you might have in your account. Okay, now making Facebook to call you might be one of the most successful things you do on the platform in order to address any issue you have in your account, right? Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make Facebook call you locally. Okay, wherever you are in the whatever part of the world you are currently, Facebook is going to call you locally and address whatever problem you have in your account. Okay, all right, so for those of you that have been following upgrades in the Facebook account, you should have noticed that recently there is a meta verification badge. Okay, there is what is currently called the meta verification badge. For this to work for you, you have to get your account verified. Okay, verified simply means you have to subscribe and let the verification badge reflect in your account. Now once your account is verified and you have that blue tick, it is going to open some other additional options for you, which includes but not limited to live support. Okay, now in order for you to verify your Facebook account and have the verification badge reflect in your account, you just have to choose the verification badge option and make the payment. Okay, for the first time it's going to cost you probably $3 or less. Okay, and after that you have to go into your profile and click on the support inbox. Okay, so when you click on support inbox, they're gonna take you to chat with an agent. Okay, now when they take you to chat with an agent, you have to choose, you have to select that option right there, and the next thing to ask you is for you to describe whatever problem you have, but kindly make sure to keep enough screenshots in order to explain what you are currently going through. Okay, now when you explain all that and send to them, probably they are not able to understand you clearly on the message. You can request for a call. You just have to tell them, okay, please call me so that I can explain to you better what I'm going through with my account. Now the next thing they will do is to ask you to send your phone number, in which case you have to type in your local number, including your country code, because without typing the country code there are low chances that they'll be able to call you. Okay, so you have to fill in the country code. For instance, maybe you're coming from India +91, maybe from Nigeria or Nigeria +234, some other countries. Okay, just enter your country code, which is closely followed by your phone number. Boom, Facebook is gonna call you. They will call you and then they will request for your time in order to really understand what problem you are currently going through. But as a tip, kindly note that all the calls are recorded, so do not go and discuss whatever is not meant to fix your account. Okay, so that is how you get to make Facebook to call you locally, and that is what I did, and they were able to call me. Well, some other videos are going to pop me that is where you're going to learn some schemes to avoid at this time on the internet and on some other platforms to really run away from. Okay, all right.